Let's go food hunting. We are breaking fasting. So let's go look for something to eat. Hi. How are you? What is this?
This is, we call nasi mansaf. The yogurt with meat beef, lamb. Yeah. Very nice.
Then this one is what? This one is yellow rice.
What you want?
This is one you gave me yesterday, right?
Yeah. You want like this?
I want like this. This one very delicious.
Thank you.
Very yummy.
I put lamb from there. Okay?
No, I don't want lamb. It's okay.
Rice only?
I want rice. Rice and chicken. The chicken you gave me yesterday.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Finish.
Oh my God.
That's why I tell you come late. Don't come late. Today you try the lamb. You know how to cook it.
Yes, I wanted that chicken.
What you want?
Yeah, so this is Palestinian food. I ate this yesterday and I love the rice so much, but unfortunately today the chicken is finished. Eh? See what I'm eating now. This is lamb. Because Sunday we can go with roast no, where somehow. No chicken.
I tell him, he called me, I tell him, you come early. Oh, you know this one.
He
don't follow me. He don't follow me. That's why I'm angry with him.
You speak this thing for me now. I told you that I don't understand what you are saying. You are speaking this thing for me.
Don't worry.
I'm worried. I'm not happy now. It's the chicken that I really enjoyed there yesterday.
You want lamb?
Yes, lamb is so costly. No kwa. Our lamb. How much is this? 5 ringgit?
Yeah, 5.
Yeah, the one. Tomorrow maybe I'll try this.
Spaghetti.
I ate this one yesterday. So this one is yesterday. It's lasagna, right?
Yeah, lasagna. It's very nice.
What's the name of this?
This kapsa.
Kapsa.
Yeah, kapsa.
This one is like our own jollof rice. Fried rice. Yes, it's nice. Test now. This one is what? Can I just test, let me test this and know if I can buy this tomorrow.
This rice with this milk. You cannot eat rice only.
Just give me, I want to see the flavor first. Just little. Aha. Okay. They cook very, very well. It's nice. Let me go and enjoy my food a bit.
It is one.
So how? What's your name?